Imagine you're a squirrel living in a peaceful forest. Every morning, you wake up early, climb tree after tree, and spend the entire day collecting acorns. By sunset, you're exhausted, your paws are sore, and after all that hard work, you've managed to collect only 3 acorns. Then, another squirrel walks right past you carrying an enormous sack overflowing with shiny golden acorns. The strange part? It wasn't climbing trees all day, and it certainly wasn't working harder than you. So, how did it collect so much? The answer is AI. And believe it or not, this simple difference is changing the way money is made across the entire world. For generations, squirrels believed that if you wanted more acorns, you had to work harder. More climbing meant more food, and more hours meant more rewards. Humans built their lives exactly the same way. We worked for an hour, and we got paid for an hour. But today, that rule is changing. Instead of collecting every acorn by hand, smart squirrels build systems that collect acorns automatically. While they relax, spend time with family, or even sleep, those systems keep working. That's called automation, and it's becoming one of the biggest financial revolutions in history. Around the world,
businesses are replacing repetitive tasks with artificial intelligence. Work that once required 10 employees can now be completed by one person using AI tools. Businesses love this because it saves time, reduces costs, and increases profits. That's why companies are investing billions of dollars into AI. Not because it's just another trend, but because it makes businesses faster, smarter, and more profitable. Of course, this also creates fear. If robot squirrels can collect acorns faster than regular squirrels, what happens to everyone else? It's the same question millions of workers are asking today. Some jobs will disappear, and many others will completely change. But history teaches us something important. Every major technological revolution has replaced old jobs while creating entirely new opportunities. The real danger isn't AI. The real danger is refusing to learn how to use it. Smart squirrels don't compete against AI. They work with it. They use AI to create designs, edit videos, write articles, build websites, answer customers, and automate repetitive work. Suddenly, one squirrel can accomplish the work that once required an entire team. Now, imagine a nut factory. Years ago, dozens of squirrels sorted, cleaned, and packed every acorn by hand. Today, robot squirrels handle most of those tasks while one manager oversees the entire operation. Because the factory spends less money and produces more products, it earns bigger profits. Investors notice businesses like these, and that's one reason why AI companies have become some of the fastest growing companies in the world.
Now, let's think about investing. Imagine planting one tiny acorn. At first, it doesn't look like much. But over time, that small acorn grows into a giant oak tree, producing thousands of new acorns every year. That's exactly how investing works. Small investments made consistently can grow into enormous wealth through compound growth, and AI helps businesses grow even faster by making them more productive. But here's the exciting part. AI isn't only helping giant corporations. Ordinary people are using it to build side hustles and online businesses. One squirrel creates digital artwork, another edits videos, while someone else designs logos, builds websites, writes books, manages social media, or creates online courses. With AI, many of these products can be created much faster and sold again and again. That's the difference between working for money and building systems that generate money. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that while you were sleeping, your AI tools continued working throughout the night. That's the true power of automation. As millions of businesses become more efficient, entire economies become stronger. Products become cheaper to produce, companies grow faster, and completely new industries appear. The biggest winners won't always be the strongest or the hardest workers. They'll be the people willing to learn new skills before everyone else. Just like learning computers changed careers 20 years ago, learning AI is quickly becoming one of the most valuable financial skills anyone can have. Imagine owning several small businesses instead of relying on a single paycheck. One AI tool creates videos, another designs graphics, another answers customer emails,
Another manages your online store, while another helps you write marketing content. Suddenly, one person can manage multiple income streams at the same time. That's why entrepreneurs around the world are embracing automation. They're not replacing themselves, they're multiplying what they're capable of achieving. So, will AI replace jobs? Yes, some jobs will disappear, and many others will evolve. But every major innovation in history has rewarded the people who adapted first. The future doesn't belong to the squirrels collecting one acorn at a time. It belongs to the squirrels building smart systems that collect acorns for them. So start learning AI, invest in your skills, stay curious, keep improving. Because the greatest investment you'll ever make isn't in a machine, and it isn't in a company. It's in yourself. And if you start today, the forest of tomorrow will be full of opportunities waiting for you. So what do you think? Will AI become your biggest competitor or your greatest tool? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through the squirrel world, don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories about AI, money, and the future. I'll see you in the next adventure.